Welcome back to our tethering tutorial. Now after you use your scissors and cut out the plastic bag, you will get this cable. Will I recommend you to untighten this thing, or except if you are very close to the power. The screen will be black in the next few seconds because I'm untightening this thing. Welcome back. After you untighten, your wire will kind of look like this. Now connect this part of the wire and to the smart charger. To the other end of the smart charger that looks like this. The screen will be black in the next few seconds. Welcome back. Sorry that it wasn't a few seconds because it was somehow a little hard. Okay. Now let's use our smart charger to go to the power and charge the battery. That's in the next part. Let's take a rest.